In this video, we will explore how to work with Pandas function. So this is experiment 2.2 Pandas. So in Pandas, there are two types of data structures. One is the series, which talks about a single dimensional array and data. And the second one is data frame, which talks about two-dimensional array and data or multi-dimensional array and data. Now, first we have to write import pandas as PD, and this PD is used to call all the pandas function. So let's create a small list 1, 2, 3, 4. And how to convert this list into a panda series is, so let me say my variable equal to PD dot capital S series A, right? And then you can print A. Print A. Now, you could see that you get a small panda series. Okay, it is converted into a panda series. All right. Now, how do you access? You can even give some indexing for this pandas series. So now when I have created a list, and then using pd.series of A, we'll convert that into a series. Now we'll just print that and check it out. Yes, now you could see that it is printed and it has an index number of 0, 1, 2, 3, and here you have 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? And then suppose you want to change this index. Okay, so you want to change a very meaningful index. So you can give my variable equal to pd dot series of A, comma. Let's say the index as index equals, let's say D1, D2, D3. Let's close the index and then close it, and then let us print my variable. Okay, so now when we print it, so now already we have 4 elements in A and we are supposed to give 4 index. So let me give one more index, T4. Now the index is changed, D1, D2, D3, and D4, right? And now even you can use print my var of D2. Suppose I want to print only the value D2, I can print in this way. So whatever is there in D2, it is getting printed. Now even you can convert a dictionary into a panda series. So let's create a small car sales equal to a small dictionary. Day 1, the value of car sales is 10. And day 2, the value of car sales is 5. And day 3, the value of car sales is 8. And the dictionary is being created. Okay. Now we'll convert that into my var is equal to pd dot series of car sales. And now we'll print my var. Yes, now this is a dictionary and we have converted that into a small series. Okay. Now next we will see about the data frame, how to convert a dictionary, or we are going to take 2 series and we are going to convert that into data frame. Okay, so how to do that we'll see. Let's say data equal to, I take car So let's take a type of car. Comma. Next, we will take sales. It is 10, 8, and 9. There is a small dictionary created, and I'll just say my variable equal to pd dot data, capital D and capital F, data frame of data, right? So then print my variable. Okay, print my variable. So now after execution of this program, you could see that a data frame is created. It has 3 rows, 0, 1, 2, and it has 2 columns, car and sales, right? And even now, how to access one value from this data frame, you can give print my variable dot loc. So dot loc function is used of 0. So if I give dot loc of 0, the first value, that is the 0th row value is printed. Hyundai and 10, that is printed. Suppose I give loc of 0, 1. So now yes. So the first 2 rows are display. Okay, so location. The LOC function is used to do that. Now, how to access, how to read a CSV file? So there is a file, okay, pd.csv is a file already present in my location. So let me try to read it. So I say df is equal to, the function uses pd.read underscore CSV, okay, and the file name is pd.csv. pd.csv. Now, so this is the command which is used to read the CSV file, pd.csv. So if I just give df, whatever is the value in that particular CSV file will get displayed. So these are very simple commands of Pandas. In the next experiment, we will explore how to analyze the data set using Pandas library.